In this video, you're going to learn how to instantly level your audio going from something like this to now this where the audio level is now normal. That way your listeners or viewers do not have to increase the volume on their phone or wherever they are watching or listening to your audio or video. Let me show you how in this tutorial. All right, so here's a very tool you'll need to clean up your audio, normalize it, and in the process, you'll also be able to remove any unwanted low frequencies such as your aircon or maybe something running in the background and even some noise and hum. So we'll use some of that filtering in the process. So the tool is called Auphonic. I've used Auphonic for many years. I lost count how many years, but this is the very tool I use whenever I need to process my audio. So that way I don't need to use a separate app such as Adobe Audition and then leveling each and every video that I produce. So all you need to do really is sign up for a free account, and as a free user, you get 2 hours of free processing, and then you can top up with credits, as you can see with their pricing right here. But very quickly, what Auphonic can do is it will level your audio so that it's balanced between speakers, music, and speech. You're also able to normalize your audio so that it is based on broadcast standards. In addition to that, you can filter any unwanted low frequencies as well as reduce the noise and hum. And it also features a few of these other features right here. So sign up for an Auphonic account. Once you're in, you'll land on the productions page. From here, you click on new production. This is where you can start uploading your audio file. Now, before you upload your audio file, a tip here is to make sure you edit your video first and then upload the audio version. The reason why is because when we record, we make mistakes, and then that's why we edit them out. So from a 1 hour long video from a raw footage, that could be cut down into 15 minutes. So instead of processing an hour, you're only processing 15 minutes, which can then be a lot faster when processing through Auphonic. In addition to that, Auphonic, as I explained, only includes up to 2 hours of free processing until you need to buy credits. Once you've done that, choose a file, locate your audio file, and side note, make sure to export an audio version of your video. So that way you don't need to upload an entire video, which can be large in size. So select it, let's open it. Now that it's there, go to output files. These are the settings that I like to use. So in terms of the format, I like to go with a WAV or WAV 24-bit. We only need the single audio file, so cross out this second one. Ignore speech recognition and publishing / external services, because what we're going to do is save this audio as a file, bring it back to our video editor so that we can sync it up with the video. Below those, you'll see audio algorithms. This is where the magic happens. You want to make sure you check adaptive leveler. We've also got loudness normalization, make sure that's checked. And you've also got filtering. I'm not going to explain each one because if you click on the question mark, it will give you an explanation of what each will do, and it's quite technical. But just know if you want the best settings, this is what I recommend you do. So check adaptive leveler, check loudness normalization, filtering, and also noise and hum reduction. Loudness target, I like to stick with -16. This is for podcasts and mobile. Reduction amount, I like to leave it as auto. If you want to fine tune these settings, you can go to advanced parameters, and then that will bring up things like the leveler strength, compressor, and each of these individual settings. Once you've got your settings right, it's just a matter of clicking on start production. The next page would just be a confirmation. Just click on start production. Because I've only got a 7-second audio clip, that took less than 10 seconds to process. Now I simply download the audio file. Now that you've downloaded the processed audio, head back to your video editor or wherever you are editing your media. Here's my processed audio file. I'm going to head to my video editor, which is ScreenFlow. This is the original audio clip that you can see from here to here that I exported. And now what I'll do is simply drag it over, drop it anywhere on the timeline, and take a look at the difference in terms of the audio track. If I zoom in on this, even visually, you can tell the difference in terms of the audio volume. This one is quite soft, and this one is now normal. What I'm going to do is play the original audio file, and then after that, the processed audio file. Here's the original audio. Feel free to browse through the collection, or you can go back and then go through each of the gradient backgrounds until you see the one that you actually like. Now I'll play the process audio. Feel free to browse through the collection, or you can go back and then go through each of the gradient backgrounds until you see the one that you actually like. A big difference there, as you heard, which is why it's important to make sure you process your audio before uploading to whichever platform you'll be uploading to. At the end of the day, you want to make sure that your audio sounds great and your audience isn't struggling trying to listen to what you're trying to say, which can be a huge turn off. So make sure you process your audio. Auphonic is all you need. And I've been using it for many years and I'm not affiliated in any way. I just love the tool and it saved me a huge amount of time trying to process my audio. Link to Auphonic will be down in the description box below. Sign up for a free account, give it a try and check out the difference it will make to your content. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value, do give this video a quick thumbs up and I'll leave up a couple of relevant videos right here.